welcome back to the Alchemist Shed. My name's Fiona and it is a hot July day here today. So we're going to be doing a lot of watering. So come along, join me while we get this polytunnel watered and the greenhouse watered and all the rest of the plot watered. It's so hot today and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. Not quite seeing my face, but it's so hot. So join me, let's get watering then. So thanks for watching me water in this heat, in this hot weather that we're having here in the UK this July. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our brand new YouTube channel. Bye.